He wanted me to do Sesame Street, Big Bird Story Time. And play story chapters and at your library. Rapunzel, Humpty Dumpty, the witch, and the mirror. Imagine that. Goldie, Locks, and the three bears. The three little pigs. Put me on the Sesame Street DVDs. Elmo's Word for water exercise. Happy Monsters. What's the name of that song? A celebration of me, Grover. See yourself silly the movies. Counting higher. Sesame sings karaoke. Three bears and a baby. So it's dance moves. Big bird sings. Sing yourself silly. Sing along. Imagine that. It's a race around the world. Elmo's magical book. Be start. Elmo's Word. Dictionary level. Elmo's Word. Families met at bedtime. Elmo's Word. Elmo has two hands, eats a pea. Elmo's Word. The Great Outdoors. Elmo's Word. Head to Elmo. Elmo's Word. Wake up Elmo. Elmo's Word. Space up by. Elmo's Word. Wild West. And then to the page subscribe.